Hi there! Do you want to improve your video transitions? Well, stick around. I'm going to give you one quick tip that will tell you how to do it. My name is Brad, and I like to improve your drone videos by giving you a tip every single week. And if that's something that interests you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Let's get to it. This is going to be a very quick tip on how to improve your transitions. It is very easy to do, and it works for everything except for a straight cut. This tip can be used on a dissolve or a fancy transition and everything in between. By the way, some people might think this is a no-brainer, but some people need to be told to do this. If your transition looks like this, it needs to look like this. Did you see the difference? Basically, I moved the bad movement out of the transition. Whether it is the first clip or the second clip, you need to remove all unwanted movement in the clip, even if it's at the very, very least scene of the transition. It needs to be gone. As I've stated before, it drives me nuts to see this unwanted or small adjustments during a video. It takes nothing to remove them. It takes fractions of a second off the entire video. Just remove them. What do you see in some videos that drives you crazy? Leave them in the comments below. And of course, I'm not perfect, so go ahead and leave a comment if I've actually missed something. And if you like this video, go ahead and like it. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, go ahead and share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell. Until next time, I want everybody to fly safe, and a bye!